Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Open BGMI and sign into the account you want to redeem on. Next, make sure the Sting QR image is accessible, either saved to your gallery or on a second device. This avoids screen glare. Enable camera permissions for BGMI and connect to stable internet because scans need immediate server validation. Once done, close background apps to reduce lag and position devices so the QR fits easily in frame. You now perform the scan. Navigate to the Events or Redeem section and choose the QR scanner option. Hold the Sting QR steady and center it in the on-screen frame. Keep it parallel to the camera lens and avoid reflections because misalignment causes failures. Once the app beeps or detects the code, it will display the redemption preview. Read it carefully to confirm the correct reward. Then tap Redeem and wait for the server confirmation. Do not exit the app during this exchange. You finish by verifying the reward. Open your inventory or in-game mail and locate the item. Sometimes relogging forces visibility. If the QR scan fails, retry immediately, change distance to about 5-10 centimeters, alter screen brightness, or use the saved image instead of another device to reduce reflection. If problems persist, document the error with a screenshot and send it to BGMI support, including your device model, app version, and account ID. That speeds up resolution so you can enjoy the reward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.